Good morning, degenerates, and welcome to another episode of Boring Crypto IO, the place where I read you the boring crypto news every morning, Monday through Friday, just so you don't have to. My name is Not Important, and I am your host. Guys, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and let's get into it. FTX Foundation staffer fights for his or hers $275,000 bonus promised by SBF. Give me my money, even though you're going to jail. Humans. Australia to impose capital gains tax on wrapped cryptocurrency tokens. Interesting. And I'm sure you've caught wind of this if you have not. Yesterday evening was kind of weird. There's a rumor that BlackRock was filing for an XRP ETF. It pumped the price, and then one person came out and said it was fake, and now we all believe it's fake. So it tanked the price, and the whole market kind of got angry about this and kind of went to the downside after this. XRP jumps, then dumps on faked BlackRock XRP just filing. Guys, I'm telling you right now, supposedly the filing has not been taken down. And only one person, which is Eric Balkunas, who's a big name in the space, but he said that he was directly contacted by a BlackRock associate and was told that it was fake. But he's literally the only person that has come out and said that it was fake. And I'm not saying this is real or this is fake. I'm just saying it's interesting to watch the crypto space believe one thing, then instantly believe another, as opposed to waiting to see how this pans out. I don't know if this is a fake or real or not. I just know that on the Delaware or whatever, I forget what it's called, we're gonna read about it, but the filing's still up there, and no one besides Balkunas has come out and said that this was fake. BlackRock hasn't even said anything. So this day should be interesting to see how it unfolds. If I do get like a better update, I'll do my best to post it on the X account. Guys, go ahead and follow me on X. It's just at Boring Crypto IO. If I find out anything that's hard facts about this XRP ETF thing, I'll be posting it there. Okay. So with that being said, guys, let's go to the market. Right now, current market cap ticking down just a tad, 1.44 down from yesterday. We are at a $1.39 trillion market cap. Bitcoin dump sitting at 51.2%, ETH at 17.7. Gwei finally down a little bit from yesterday. 27 Gwei will get you that each transaction, and the fear and greed index ticking down just a tad, sitting at 75. Guys, we're gonna blow through that top 100 per usual. I'm actually curious to see what the day looks like. I thought it was gonna be a red day, but I don't know. Some things are red, some things are not. We shall see. To start it off, number 7, Solana down 7.62% on the day. Matic pumping 7% to the upside on the day, 30% for the week. Dot down 5.12, Avalanche down 5.54. Cosmos down 11.65. Filecoin after its big pump down 10.2. Crow down 5.5, 7.22 to the downside for ICP, 5.76 to the downside for Aptos. Lido Dow down to 5.25 to the downside, but Caspa still pumping 5.6 on the upside on the day. Your protocol down 6.84. VeChain down 5%. Mutable X up 5.63. MakerDAO up 5.54. Injective, got really hurt when this whole XRP thing broke out. Down 7.16 on the day, down 10.87 on the week. That hurts. Makes me sad. The graph down 5.58. FTT down 6.79. Algorand 5.73 to the downside. Stacks down 5.11. I'm looking at anything over 5, guys. Render down 5.02. Tezos down 6.53. Mana down 7.85. Neo down 5.82. BGB BitGet token cranking 4.5 the upside, 20% for the week. XDC down 5.44. Synthetics down 5.73. Mina down 7%. DYDX up 6.18 on the day. Chili's down 7.3. Gala down about 6%. Sui down 6.3. It just changed, 6.56. Things are moving right now as we're talking. Frax share FXS, I don't know what that is, up 9.23. Gas down 7.66. Clay down 6.23. Trust Wallet down 7.33. Yeah, guys, red day. There's some outliers for sure, but Huobi token down 5.22. Terra Classic down 6%. Genosis up 6.62. And Ordi down 4.72 for your 100, but up 84.92 for the week. Guys on the Bitcoin. All right, we've rolled over. We've lost 37. I told you right around here is our last like hope. Unless these wicks become support, which I don't think they will, but I'm looking at the main bodies of the candles. Right around here, this is our last. If we don't hold this, I think we're definitely going to go down to this 652 area and see if that holds. The top of the ascending triangle that we broke out of. So guys, I'm going to put a line there just for you, just so you can see it a little bit better. But somewhere right, like basically right where we're at right now. That's like our last layer of support from this little run. In my opinion, we'll see what happens. But pullbacks aren't bad, guys. Pullbacks, especially right now for buying. You know the levels. Nothing's changed. If we lose this, what did I say? 35.2-ish. If we lose that, I'm expecting hopefully a bounce at 34.544. If we lose that, 33.642. If we lose that, 33.033. If we lose all of this price action, again, I've said it, we're going to 30. I could be wrong. I hope I am. But that's what I'm looking at. Guys, we're going to blow through the tops real quick. The ones I'm looking at. ETH's still looking really strong. It pumped yesterday. And then after the XRP news, it retraced back to where it's been. Sitting at key level support right here. Still looking really strong from all this nonsense that went down yesterday. So I'm not too worried about ETH right now. ETH has been a super quiet animal right now, and I think it's gonna wake up and just completely fly and blow our minds one of these days. I could be wrong, could always be wrong, but just watching it right now and seeing how calm it's been, I think it has the potential to melt faces here real soon. All right, XRP. This was the nonsense that went down yesterday. This giant rip on this BlackRock news. It ripped from 65 all the way up to 75. And then they said it was fake, and it completely retraced. So we're back where we were. Nothing has changed for XRP. I'm still looking at this cup and handle to potentially be in play. Let me get rid of these lines real quick. Kind of annoying looking. But this is what you're looking for right now. If that giant cup and handle is in play. So we went up, down, and potentially would probably bounce right around here. That's what we're looking at. That's a cup and handle play, and it's looking legit. It's looking good. Watch for this neckline to break for the breakout. Oh, excuse me. Look at on the daily. I'm not mad at that at all. Yeah, that's a perfect rounded bottom with a cup and handle play kind of laying out. Keep an eye on it, guys. Outside of that, let's go back to 4. Cardano completely is rolled over. We're back inside of this range. Injective took a big hit. We lost our support right here. Look for a bounce right around here, guys. Hopefully. 5.33, somewhere in there. Good news. I gave you guys this yesterday. Depending on what chart you're looking at, PAL is, like, if I'm looking at the DEXs, it sits more like this. I'm not sure where TradingView gets its data, but this played out a lot better on DEX tools. But this was the descending wedge, potential bear or bull flag that we were looking at for PAL. It broke out. Right now, we're up about 13%. So if you got in on that, congratulations, you're welcome. There is some good news out there. PAL has broken out of its downtrend. It's broken out of it very strongly. Take profit. If you're playing the swing, basically I would take profit here, right around 14 cents, and then 15 cents. Probably my take profit areas. Yeah. But that's a long-term hold for me, guys. You know, I'm in it, been in it for quite some time. I expect this thing to do quite well. There was a guy that I trust in trading, and I don't know if he was just that I follow on crypto Twitter. That the guy is real. He's good. I follow him. He puts a lot of good information out. A lot of good on-chain micro cap picks and things like that. So I don't know if he was trolling or not, but he put out a price prediction for certain things yesterday, and one of them was PAL. And he put out a $7 price prediction. Do I think it'll go to $7? That's a hard buy for me. If it does, I'm going to be the happiest person alive. But it's a really hard sell for me. Hard buy, hard sell, whatever. I definitely think it's going to $1 without a question. But 7 is, we'll see. I hope it does. Fingers crossed, guys. All right, other news. FTX Foundation staffer fights for $275,000 bonus promised by SBF. FTX Foundation employee Ross R.Y. Verhingens you Swami. Right. Said he was not part of Sam Bankman-Fried's inner circle. But he was promised a $250,000 bonus and knew nothing about FTX's fraud. An employee of FTX's charity wing recruited by FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is trying to get paid $275,000, the remainder of his claimed 2022 salary bonus. Ross R.Y.'s lawyer argued in a November 3rd court filing that only $375,000 of his $650,000 bonus was paid by FTX. They claimed the remaining funds were owed when the crypto exchange filed for bankruptcy in November 2022. RY's latest filing comes in response to FTX objection filed on October 30th. Mr. RY shared part of a Google Doc created by Bankman-Fried that laid out his employment terms at the FTX Foundation, which came with a $100,000 base salary. He claimed Bankman-Fried told him in memo. Mr. RY iterated, I can't pronounce that last name, dude. It's just not happening. Iterated he was not part of Bankman-Fried's inner circle and wasn't aware that FTX misappropriated customer funds, with his lawyers adding. Instead, Mr. RY was a faithful employee who found himself in a mess he did not create. Mr. RY claims he is entitled to a further $650,000 specifically to donate to charity, a pre-petition salary payment of about $5,700 and a post-petition salary of at least $62,800. Advisors claim FTX has already fully paid RY his bonus because he elected to have the award partially repaid via options in the firm's corporate affiliates. before it filed for bankruptcy. However, Mr. RY denies that claim. The fate of Mr. RY's bonus will be determined by a Delaware bankruptcy judge who is overseeing FTX's Chapter 11 bankruptcy. FTX sued, Mr. RY's Latona Biosciences Group, Bankman-Fried, and several other defendants in July to return $71.6 million in investments and donations allegedly sent to various life science companies. What a mess. Everybody wants their cut, man. Give me my money. The crypto exchange claims Mr. RY and Bankman-Fried personally benefited from investments and donations, but FTX and Alameda Research did not. Each of these transfers was made with the intent to hinder, delay, or defraud present or future creditors, a fact known by FTX Foundation, Latona, and Bankman-Fried. Mr. RY claims his work at Latona, which involved analyzing potential recipients, speaking with their founders and executives, and conducting due diligence, would have produced positive results for society. Dude, let it go. You're not going to jail. Just be happy about that. That's my take on it. I don't know. You owe me $275,000. Lawyers are making money on this one. It's the only people winning right now in any of this nonsense. Lawyers. Lawyers are winning. All right, moving on. Australia to impose capital gains tax on wrapped cryptocurrency tokens. Delivering a major hit to Australian crypto investors, the ATO stated that wrapping or unwrapping tokens, God, I can't talk. I can't read. I can't talk, guys. I'm sorry. Irrespective of their price at the time, will be subject to a capital gains tax. The Australian Tax Office, ATO, has issued guidance on capital gains tax, CGT, treatment of decentralized finance, and wrapping crypto tokens for individuals, clarifying its intent to continue taxing Australians on capital gains when wrapping and unwrapping tokens. In May of 2022, the ATO outlined crypto capital gains as one of the 4 key focus areas. Building on the initiative, the Australian taxman recently clarified a raft of taxable actions in its jurisdiction. The transfer of crypto assets to an address that the sender does not control or that already holds a balance will be regarded as a taxable CGT event, the ATO said in a statement. The capital proceeds for the CGT event are equal to the market value of the property you receive in return for transferring crypto asset, the ATO added. However, the CGT event will trigger depending on whether the individual recorded capital gain or loss. A similar approach has been considered for taxing liquidity pool users, providers, and DeFi interest and rewards. In addition, wrapping and unwrapping tokens will also be subject to trigger a CGT event, the ATO stated. When you wrap or unwrap a crypto asset, you exchange one crypto asset for another. CGT event happens. The above statement clarifies that wrapping or unwrapping tokens, blah, 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 their price will be subject to capital gains tax. Chloe White, the managing director of Genesis Block, who is also an advisor to Blockchain Australia, claimed that ATO is in breach of technology neutrality principle, which ultimately impacts the financial future of young Australians. Adding to the pressure on Australians, local crypto exchange CoinSpot reportedly got hacked for $2.4 million in a probable private key compromise over at least one of its hot wallets. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Etherscan shows a transaction totaling 1,262 ETH worth $2.4 million was moved from a known CoinSpot wallet to the alleged hacker's wallet. Subsequent investigations found the stolen ETH was being swapped for Bitcoin via Thorchain and spread out across different wallet addresses. Man, I'm not surprised. I don't know how I feel. Just the thing that sucks is every government body out there right now is freaking out because they're like, oh my God, people are controlling their own money and we might not get more money from it. I have a huge issue with capital gains tax. A huge one. Especially for a retail trader like myself, someone who's not balling out of control and worth billions of dollars. And I'm not hating our rich people either. I'm not one of those people. What I'm getting at is capital gains tax makes me sick because you, as a person who's trying to become financially free, who's trying to become wealthy, that's the dream, right? Invests in something. You take your money, your hard-earned money, however you got it, whatever. You assume all of the risk. You put it in something, whether that be real estate, crypto, whatever. You assume all the risk, knowing that you could lose all of it. And if you win and make money, the government's the first one there with their hand out going, here, pay us. It's not like capital gains tax isn't like a lot, or isn't like a small amount. These guys like across the board, the general thought when you're doing like when we would do transactions and things like that in real estate, you just kind of threw a rough number out before doing taxes that worst case scenario, you owe at least 30%. 30% during a bull market, when I'm going in and out and trading, like actual swing trading, I take trades for 30%. If I don't see a potential of making at least 20 to 30%, I don't take the trade. That's insane. Like, I don't know. I guess I'm just kind of rambling, but the older and older I get, the more tired and tired I get of government bodies, man. Give us our money, and we'll give me your money. That's what it is. It's like that bully at lunch when you're a new person at school, and you're sitting down to lunch, and the fat bully kid shows up and goes, "Give me your cupcake," and you're like, "All right, don't beat me up. I'm new here." It's absolute bullshit. All right, that's enough of me whining and bitching and rambling about government taxes. All right, last but not least, guys, the real reason you're here: XRP jumps, then dumps on fake BlackRock XRP trust filing. I'm not too sure this has been 100% proven to be fake yet. I said at the beginning of the video. Yeah, we'll wait to see what happens later today. It's still early. It's only 7 a.m. on the East Coast. Most of the world isn't even awake yet. Most of the United States, excuse me. XRP price surge was short-lived and has almost returned to its original price. A BlackRock filing suggesting the asset manager was creating an XRP exchange-traded fund caused a 12% spike in XRP, which it quickly lost after the filing was confirmed fake. It has not been 100% confirmed. One person said it. It was Mr. Balkunas. That's it. The saga lasted for about an hour on late November 13th as X users picked up on a Delaware filing showing BlackRock filed to register the iShares XRP Trust, a precursor to launching an exchange-traded fund. XRP gained 12% spike to 73. It went to 75. I don't know what exchange you got 73 on. Within 30 minutes of the news of the filing. However, it lost all its gains in half hour after it was confirmed fake by Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balkunas, who spoke with BlackRock. This is the only person, guys. Eric is the only person that is saying that it was fake. And they got his tweet, which this will be interesting. Balkunas speculated someone listed the XRP Trust on a Delaware List Corporation's website by impersonating BlackRock Managing Director Daniel Schweiger. Here we go. There's Eric. This is fake. Confirmed by BlackRock by me. Some wacko must have added using BlackRock executive name, etc. Come on, man. That's it. This is the only person that said it. No one else has come forward proving, and it's still up there. It'll be interesting to see what why can't I think of the name? Delaware filing. It'll be interesting to see what they say this morning. Bitcoin Magazine analyst Dylan LeClaire was one of the first to initially break the news. Balkunas and the block also shared the listing on X in now deleted posts. So Balkunas posted it and then deleted it. So he went on and said, there you go, XRP ETF is in, and then deleted the post. And then BlackRock supposedly reached out to him and told it was fake. This has a lot of weird behind the scenes bullshit going on. I don't know what's going on, but it's very interesting. BlackRock signals intention to expand beyond Bitcoin with its ETF aspirations after the firm filed for a spot ETH ETF on November 9th. In light of the faked listings, James S. iterated that the spot ETH ETF is real, and it was officially confirmed via a 19B-4 submission by NASDAQ to the Securities Exchange Commission. Lots of people asking if the Ethereum Trust filing was real after seeing XRP Trust was fake. Yes, the iShares Ethereum Trust filing is real and was confirmed via 19B-4 filing on Thursday. Only the XRP Trust filing is fake. Not confirmed though. That's it. That's all we got, guys. Eric Balkunas, some guy over at BlackRock, called me and told me, just me, that it was fake. Why hasn't he called anyone else? Why is it still up? I'm not saying it's real. I'm not saying it's fake. But I'm saying I'm waiting for the dust to settle because this is freaking weird. Let me know what you guys think. Comments down below. Do you think it's fake? Do you think it's real? If it is real, does this take the steam out of the Bitcoin ETF news pumping the bull market? Kind of does a little bit if you think about it, right? If they're just throwing ETFs all willy-nilly now, do we still have a bull market coming based off of the ETF hype? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Comments down below, guys. Last but not least, let's look at Bitcoin one last time before I get you guys out of here. Putting the green candles could be good. Could get a bounce right here. It looks like we lost it. Let's look at the 1 hour. I might move the support line. We're gonna watch this. Doesn't make sense over here, but we got bounce, bounce. Hopefully we'll do it again. Let's look at the 7 minute. What does it look like over here? 7 minute makes sense right here. Check that out. Right here. Sam Price, guys. Crypto Lifer. Go follow him. Tell him I sent you. 7 minute. It's holding. Keep an eye on it. Guys, outside of that, that is all I've got for you this morning. If you do enjoy the content I provide for you here every morning on Boring Crypto IO, please, by all means, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell for notifications so you know when I do post videos. Watch the videos. Share the videos on all of your social platforms. And above all, if there's anything you can do to help the growth of this channel as well as the adoption of crypto, please like the videos. Don't be a lazy liker. Don't watch them and then don't hit the like button. It's the biggest thing you could do for not even just myself, any YouTuber out there, and the adoption of crypto. If you hit the like button, it puts this content in front of more people. That's how we spread adoption, guys. Outside of that, I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. I am out of here.